Hi, welcome to NCRT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 6 Kingdoms, Kings and an Early Republic. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section Taxes. This comprises 21 questions. Question 1. Rulers of Mahajanapadas were dash. The options are building huge forts, maintaining big armies, A and B, holding elections. Your time to choose. And the answer is A and B. So, rulers of Mahajanapadas were building huge forts and maintaining big armies. Question 2. Rulers of Mahajanapadas needed dash to build huge forts and maintain big armies. The options are resources, wealth, labor, natural resources like stones. Your time to choose. And the answer is resources. So, rulers of Mahajanapadas needed resources to build huge forts and maintain big armies. Question 3. Resources such as dash were required to build huge forts and maintain big armies. The options are land, capital and labor, planning and management, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of these. So, resources such as land, capital and labor, and planning and management were required to build huge forts and maintain big armies. Question 4. Rajas of the Janapadas depended on dash. The options are taxes, trade, gathering resources from forests, occasional gifts brought by people. Your time to choose. And the answer is occasional gifts brought by people. So, Rajas of the Janapadas depended on occasional gifts brought by people. Question 5. Rajas of the Mahajanapadas started collecting dash. The options are regular taxes, tributes from other kings, occasional taxes, regular gifts from people. Your time to choose. And the answer is regular taxes. So, Rajas of the Mahajanapadas started collecting regular taxes. Next question 6. Rajas needed dash to collect resources. The options are goodwill, officials, nationalism, educated public. Your time to choose. And the answer is officials. So Rajas needed officials to collect resources. Next question. Taxes on dash were the most important. Your options are animals, crops, land, goods. Your time to choose. And the answer is crops. So, taxes on crops were the most important. Next question. Taxes on crops were most important because dash. The options are: crops were easy to store, crops were the best source of food, most people were farmers, crops grew multiple times a year. Your time to choose. And the answer is most people were farmers. So, taxes on crops were most important because most people were farmers. Next question. Usually, the tax on crops was dash. The options are fixed, voluntary, evaded, irregularly collected. Your time to choose. And the answer is fixed. So usually the tax on crops was fixed. Question 10. Usually the tax on crops was fixed at dash of the crops produced. The options are 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6. Your time to choose. And the answer is 1/6. So usually the tax on crops was fixed at 1/6 of the crops produced. Next question 11. A portion of the crop as taxes was known as dash. The options are fixed rate, yogdan or contribution, bhaga or share, wealth tax. Your time to choose. And the answer is bhaga or share. So, a portion of the crop as taxes was known as bhaga or share. Next question. Taxes were collected from dash as well. The options are craftspersons, other kings, priests, travelers. Your time to choose. And the answer is craftspersons. So, taxes were collected from craftspersons as well. Question 13. Taxes were collected from craftspersons in the form of dash. The options are artifacts, goods, labor, punch marked coins. Your time to choose. And the answer is labor. So, taxes were collected from craftspersons in the form of labor. Question 14. An example of tax collected from craftspersons is dash. The options are supplying goods, contributing money, contributing land for use, working a day every month for the king. Your time to choose. And the answer is working a day every month for the king. So, an example of tax collected from craftspersons is working a day every month for the king. Question 15. Taxes were also collected from dash. The options are travelers, herders, other kings, priests. Your time to choose. And the answer is herders. So, taxes were also collected from herders. Next question 16. Herders were expected to pay taxes in the form of dash. The options are animals, animal produce, animals and animal produce, grass. Your time to choose. And the answer is animals and animal produce. So, herders were expected to pay taxes in the form of animals and animal produce. Next question, 17. Taxes were also collected from dash. The options are priests, other kings, traders, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is traders. So, taxes were also collected from traders. Question 18. Taxes were collected from traders dash. The options are depending on place of origin of the goods, varna of person trading in the goods, by way of presents to the king, on goods that were bought and sold. Your time to choose. And the answer is on goods that were bought and sold. So, taxes were collected from traders on goods that were bought and sold. Question 19. Taxes were also collected from dash. The options are priests, hunters and gatherers, women, children. Your time to choose. And the answer is hunters and gatherers. So, taxes were also collected from hunters and gatherers. Question 20. Hunters and gatherers had to provide dash to the Raja. The options are cowries, forest produce, precious stones, animals. Your time to choose. And the answer is forest produce. So, hunters and gatherers had to provide forest produce to the Raja. Next question, last question. Hunters and gatherers also had to provide forest produce such as dash. The options are animals or animal meat, fruits, nuts, honey, special forest herbs used for medicine, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of these. So, hunters and gatherers also had to provide forest produce such as animals or animal meat, fruits, nuts, honey, and special forest herbs used for medicines. Okay, so in this video we learned every point in the section taxes. In the next video we will learn every point in the section changes in agriculture. I'll see you there.